Here, what we will be learning in this ebook. This is the very basic layout concept of an HTML, structure of HTML. This is the very interesting and this is the vital and the most important thing of learning web design and development, because everything is dependent on this thing, structure of HTML. If you make any mistake, if you make ever any mistake on your project with the structure of HTML, then probably W3C, the Worldwide Web Consortium, probably they will not recognize your website, and your website display or your web page display may be disrupted, or maybe not granted, or maybe not intended by the other search engines like Google or other search engines there. So all we have to do, we have to concentrate on structure of HTML here. Then we will be concentrating on tags and attributes. HTML actually understands some kind of keywords that are embedded into some slash tags, and those things are known as the tags, and all those tags, they comes with some attributes like styling, the attribute styling someone. So these are the tags that are specifically understood by the HTML, by the browser of your computer, actually the browser of your computer, and then you are telling the browser that in which manner, in which style they should appear. So those things are known as the attributes or the properties. So everything we'll be learning time to time, working with different tags with examples here. Of course we will be discussing on examples. Without examples probably you will understand nothing in this case. So we will be working with different tags and of course with examples, and we will be creating our first site with HTML. Remember this thing, that whatever you are doing, whatever you are trying to make, nothing is complete without a full practice. If you don't practice yourself, if you don't do the hard work, if you don't make yourself acquainted with these things, whatever you are learning, if suppose you are learning on cooking, you are learning driving, everything, those things, you are playing cricket or football, you are practicing it, nothing is complete, nothing is actually complete without a complete practice, a hard work behind that. So, and the easiest way to learn something is to jump into it, and is to know about the ins and outs, or the odds and outs about the specific subject. So all we are doing, all we will be doing here, we will be creating our first HTML document, and then we will be creating a project such that we understand the subject better. And of course additional screenshots in archive format. There will be plenty of screenshots here. You will see that time to time, that each and every particular element, those are supported with some screenshots. So all you need to do is to carefully observe and examine all those things, the whole ebook, the whole PDF book, and then you will be probably trying to implement those things, those you have learned from this book, directly into your project. And then you will try to modify your own project, and you will be learning time to time that how to do this, how to do that, or this stuff of things. This sort of things you will be learning very quickly.